got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reema. You guys know me here on my channel as Work It Mama. I am going to be doing a car clean with me today. I'm going to be using some great new products by Super Clean. We're going to get our van really cleaned out for the spring. It's a mess right now, and as it turns out, I have a lot of neighbors outside, so they're probably going to be wondering why I have my tripod out, but whatever, the car needs to get clean. So I'm going to go ahead real quick and show you what the inside looks like. It's not real pretty. Super Clean also did send me a wheel cleaner, so I'm going to give that a try and see how well it works. And of course, there'll be before and afters. So if you need some motivation to clean up your car, then please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to start off with shock value of showing you the inside of my car. This is salt, snow, and dirt that we get every single season, especially around this time when everything dries down. So these are the mats. You can see that the dirt is really caked on. I'm going to be using a Super Clean foaming cleanser to see if I can get that up, and a scrub brush. And then here is just the rest of the inside of the car. A Chrysler hybrid, so it's one that is electric. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it since we're not really driving anywhere and it's just going to get in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. And I guess we'll just go to town on cleaning this car. I'm going to start out by taking out all of the mats and spraying them down, and then let that sit. And then I'm also going to spray down the tires, and then we're going to go ahead and start working on the inside of the car. And more power cords here, socks, hats, box of juice, yeah, just general disarray and mess. Like, that is a favorite hiding spot of garbage. What are you looking for?
See if there's any other stuff. Oh,
There's Lego.
there's two.
Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night.
Okay, now that I've shown you how disgusting the inside of my car is, I am going to start out by just taking everything out, including garbage, taking out things that don't belong in the car and putting them back where they belong, and just really getting these floor mats out because I am going to have to scrub them just because of how dirty they are. So I'm going to be taking them out, scrubbing them down, and then letting them dry in the sun.
You said, what can I find in your love?
Okay.
Why would you go the other way? So then I could actually like,
Right,
stick
that's
it down.
fine. I don't know what this is. What's this? And I'm sure we are not the only car that has this mess, but make sure when you're cleaning out your car, especially when you're spring cleaning your car and doing a deep cleaning of your car, that you check underneath the seats, because trust me, there will be crumbs under there too. One of the features that I really love about this car is that the cup holders have a complete rubber protector, so you can easily take those out and wash them with hot soapy water and put them back in, and they look brand new. They're pretty good at protecting for spills. I'm still going to be wiping the inside, but overall just giving those a good clean really helps. I have seen different hacks for cup holders. Some of the things that I've seen are using like little sauce bowls that fit really well in there. You can cover it with aluminum foil or plastic wrap. I've also seen small like lunch containers. I've seen people use those as well. Anything really that will protect your cup holders and easy for cleanup and takeout makes it a lot easier. And so here I am just trying to figure out what the best attachment was, and in the end it was using the brush attachment at the bottom, and then I just took the normal size attachment and cleaned just the overall back side of the car.
I can hear music all night.
Here I'm taking the first stab at these rubber mats. I am spraying them down with this super clean foam cleaner, and just to see if it will dissolve the dirt. I did not pre-wet or anything these mats, so I'm going to spray them down a couple of times and let it sit to try to dissolve the dirt and rinse them. And then you will see that we do, especially on that one that my daughter just put down, that one was at the driver's side, so that one we do have to scrub with the brush and use the spray a couple of times and let it sit, and then I let them dry in the sun.
Turn it up now, right till stop us. You and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe. We'd be glorious. And you could try hating or shaming. There'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe. We'd be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum. Dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning. To play, we cannot fail. We just love to play, just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play, just love to play. We cannot
This one's actually the aerosol that I sprayed.
It's a brush.
It did a good job. Oh. It's just green and brown.
Nice, green brush. Here, take your
It's like a scrubby brush.
yeah.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
So on this particular mat, we had to do it sprayed again and then scrub it with a brush. And that's only, I think, because of the kind of weather that we have and the buildup. If you have just regular dirt, I think it would just dissolve right off. But for us, we had to use a scrubby brush, and afterwards it came out really clean.
With you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in
And then here I noticed that the Dyson didn't quite pick up all of the crumbs and some of the embedded dirt. So I am using my Super Vac and I am cleaning out the backside of the areas just where the Dyson couldn't reach and where my son had vacuumed and also couldn't reach.
Just like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing.
They still look brand new. And I just loved how the super clean tire cleaner made my tires look brand new. That stuff works amazing. All you do is spray it on and let it sit. You can use a scrub brush if you want. You saw me wipe it down and it just cleans it. It looks so shiny and they're just gorgeous. The car is pretty much done, and just for the last touch, what I'm going to do is wipe down the dashboard to give it some shine using this Armor All Original Protectant wipes. And then I'm going to wipe down the steering wheel, even though we cleaned it and everything, but just in case, I'm going to use just some disinfecting wipes on the steering wheel. And then I'll show you the finished car. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope you enjoyed this car cleaning video and that you were able to grab some cleaning motivation out of it. If you are new, definitely consider subscribing. I make cleaning content all the time and motherhood content all of the time. And if you like that, please consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have your notification bell on, because I've been posting a new spring cleaning series and I post a video to that every week along with regular clean with me. So make sure you watch those playlists for more motivation, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.